Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be talking about SAP. So the first question which comes to our mind is, what is SAP? Now, SAP is one of the leading producers of software for the management of business processes. It develops solutions, it facilitates effective data processing and information flow across organizations. So it was founded in the year 1972 and it was initially called System Analysis Program Development, and later it was abbreviated to SAP. So since then it has grown from a small 5-person endeavor to a multinational enterprise headquartered at Waldorf. And now it has more than 1 lakh employees worldwide. So this company was founded by Wellenreiter, Hop, Hector, Plattner, and Skira. And now SAP stands for Systems, Applications, and Products in Data Processing. So the next question which comes to our mind is, why is SAP used for? Now, traditional business models often decentralize data management, with each business function storing its own operational data in a separate database. Now, this makes it very difficult for the employees from different businesses to function together. Furthermore, duplication of data across multiple departments increases the IT costs. So by centralizing the data management, SAP software provides multiple business functions with a single view of truth. This helps companies to better manage their complex business processes by giving employees of different departments easy access to real-time insights across all enterprises. So what does SAP do? So there are three things which we have to remember. SAP helps companies and organizations of all sizes and industries to run their business profitably. So profit is one thing. The second is to adapt to changes continuously. And the third is sustainable growth. SAP is a company which develops software solutions that are used by small businesses, mid-sized companies, and also large corporations. With standard applications, industry solutions, platforms, and technologies, every business process can be mapped and designed. The software collects and processes data in one platform, from raw material purchasing to production and customer satisfaction. And the SAP solution can be installed on-premise at the user's location, or it can be on cloud. SAP also helps customers seamlessly link operational data on business processes with experience data on emotional factors such as purchase experience and customer feedback. So if we talk about the main modules of SAP, so these are some of the functional modules, starting from human capital management, production planning, materials management, project systems, sales and distribution, plant maintenance, financial accounting, quality management, controlling. And also there are some technical modules such as Basis, ABAP, NetWeaver, information systems, exchange infrastructure, business intelligence, business warehouse, and HANA. So if we talk about the functions of all these modules, so FI handles receivable and payables from customers and vendors respectively. If you talk about controlling, it manages the cost center, profit center, internal order accounting. Sales and distribution manages sales of products and services, products delivery and customers billing. Materials management handles procurement and inventory management business processes. Production planning handles production planning and production execution, shop floor business processes. Quality management ensures quality checks and controls in procurement, production and sales business processes. Plant maintenance keeps equipment and product machinery in optimum working condition. Customer services handles maintenance of customers' equipment. Project system manages large and complex projects, and human capital management manages the complete hire to retire business processes. So in a nutshell, each and every department can be covered in SAP, and all these modules are integrated via ABAP and NetWeaver. So finally, talking about the future of SAP, till this time SAP is firmly focused on continuing to improve more customers on cloud and S4HANA, and it is using both these platforms to deliver leading edge technologies, especially AI, IoT, big data, and advanced analytics. Now, the broader vision is to help the customers build an intelligent enterprise. It's a new kind of organization that takes advantage of AI and more human centric experiences to become more adaptive, innovative, and ultimately very successful. Now, at the same time, SAP leadership has said technology must be put to the service of a more environmentally sustainable world. So, that was all the information about SAP and what it does and its future. So that is all in this video. If you got value from this video, do like, comment and share with your friends. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or feedback, share them in the comment section below. Till we meet again next time, you all take care and goodbye.